Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on comments on YouTube. So the method right here as shown on this mobile is also the same as the computer. So go ahead and open the Google Chrome and let's just open the youtube.com right here. And then all you need to do is tap on the red button at the top right corner, the three dots. And all you want to do is tap on this desktop site right here at the bottom. Now you will see that this YouTube website is just like a view on your desktop. So now tap on the profile icon at the top right corner. And then all you need to do is tap this YouTube Studio right here. So if I zoom in, so you can see this one. So tap this YouTube Studio. Now here on your YouTube Studios, you can see tap on the top left corner. And then you can see at the bottom the settings. So you just tap these settings right at the bottom. Now here on settings, I want you to tap this channel right over here. Then you will see the advanced settings. So if you tap this one, you can see right here, you've been asked to set up your channel is for kids or not. So if you tap on yes, then all the comments will be disabled right here. So you need to tap on no. So all the videos on your channel will be available, not just for kids. Now for the second option, going back to the top left corner, and then you need to tap on content right here to see all the uploaded videos on your channel. Now right here, you have to choose a video that you want to open the comments right here. So just tap this video, for example. So right here on view details, you need to scroll down until you see the show more option. Now you can see at the bottom, which is the comments and ratings right here. So all you need to do is tap on this allow all comments. So when you allow all comments right here, all the comments on your YouTube channel will be visible and enabled on your YouTube videos. So that's it. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you on the next video.